everyone. Today again I am here with a new topic and our today's topic is punctuation. In this video you are going to get a complete guide about punctuation marks and punctuation rules in English language. Here you will find that how and when to use punctuation marks with many useful and creative examples and images. So let's move on and let's learn punctuation. Before starting our today's topic, let's first discuss what is punctuation exactly. So punctuation is nothing but some symbols, some marks in English language which we use while reading and while writing English. If there will be no punctuation marks, so there will be so many confusion in English while reading and writing. We will be get confused that where we have to stop, which are the questions, and what are the different words in English. So that's why punctuation is very important topic of English, and today we are going to discuss about this punctuations. So let's see what is punctuations. Punctuation. Punctuation marks are some special marks that are placed in a text to show the divisions between phrases and sentences. Or we can say punctuation is a set of specific marks or symbols that we use to express the meaning of a sentence clearly. There are many punctuation marks in English grammar which are like comma, full stop, which is also called as period, semicolon, colon, vowel, apostrophe, underline, round brackets, quotation marks, square brackets, question marks, exclamation marks, hyphen, etc. So there are so many punctuations in English grammar, but in this video we will cover only 4 punctuation marks, which are comma, question mark, full stop and quotation marks. So let's learn first one, which is full stop. Full stop is used at the end of the sentence. It is always placed at the end of the sentence. Now let's see about comma. This looks like this. Comma looks like this symbol. Commas are used to separate items in a series. It shows the break in a sentence. Comma is used to show the difference between two separate ideas, things, elements within a sentence. For example, we will need to buy cake, ice cream, candles and plates. So there are so many things in a sentence. So we have put a comma in the sentence. So this was comma. Now let's see about question mark. A question mark look like this. A question mark is used to end a sentence that asks a question. Whenever we write any question in English, we have to put a question mark at the end. For example, is the sun out today? Question mark. Did you take out of the trash? Question mark. So this was question mark. Now let's see the last one for today, which is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark looks like this, something like this. And exclamation mark used at the end of a strong declaration, interjection or command. It shows a strong emphasis or strong emotions, or we use exclamation mark to give command. Means whenever we give command, suggestion, or we express our strong emotions, we use exclamation mark. For example, if we write sit down, so we have to put exclamation mark at the end. So this was the 4 punctuation marks for today. Let's solve the exercise worksheets. Now let's do with this exercise. Our first sentence is the car is red. So this is a simple statement. So we just have to put a full stop here. Second one is where is the dog? This is a question. So for question we have to put question mark. Next one is I love ice cream. This is a sentence, simple statement. So we just have to put a full stop here. Next one is what time is it? It is a question. So we have to put a question mark here. Next one is you are great. So it shows a strong emotions. So here we have to put an exclamation mark. And the last one is cats like milk. So this is a simple sentence statement. So we just have to put a full stop here. So this was the first worksheet. Now let's do second one. This is the second worksheet. Here we have to just pick the punctuation. Here sentences are given and the other side 3 punctuation marks are given. We have to just pick the correct punctuation and we have to trick that. First one is, did you like it? So this is a question. So question. So first one will be right. Second one will be right. Question mark. Second sentence is, the ham is in the pan. So it is a simple sentence. So we will just put a full stop here. Next one is, can he see the map? So 3 punctuations are given. Full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. So what we will put here? We will put a question mark because it's a question. Can he see the map? So this is a question. Next one is, look at that pig. So this is a exclamatory sentence. So we have to just put an exclamation mark here. Next one is this the box? Is this the box? So this is a question. So we have to put a question mark. Next one is, my cat can do that. So this is a simple sentence. My cat can do that. So we will just put a full stop here. Next one is, I don't see it. I do not see it. So this is also a sentence. So we will put a full stop at the end. And last one is, no, not him. So here we will put a exclamation mark. So this was our second worksheet. Now let's do the last one. Here again sentences are given. We have to put the correct punctuation mark. So first sentence is, wow. So wow, it's a exclamatory sentence. So we just have to put an exclamation mark here. Like this. We will just match it. Next one is, she is here. She is here. It's a simple sentence. So we will put a full stop. Next one is, can you hear me? So it looks like a question. It's a question. So we will put a question mark. Next one is, look out. Look out. It's a exclamatory sentence. It's an order. So we will have to put here, exclamation mark. Next one is, she fed the dog. She fed the dog. It's a common sentence, simple sentence. So we will just put an full stop here. Next one is, help, help. So here someone is calling for help. So it's an exclamation sentence. So we will put an exclamation mark here. Now we have one full stop and 2 question marks remaining. And 3 sentences are there. So let's see. Is it red? Is it red? It's a question. So we will put a question mark here. Next one is, did he get it? Did he get it? It's again a question. So we will again put a question mark. And the last one is, there is a big map. So this is a sentence. So we will put a question mark. I cannot write in the boxes properly. That's why I have just matched it. You have to practice of writing this. So have you seen how simply we understand about punctuations? We saw its definitions, its meaning, we saw different punctuation marks, and we also learned about where and how to use all these punctuation marks in English language. So I hope you all are enjoying my videos. If you all are enjoying my videos, so please comment in my comment section, and please let me also know that are you all enjoying it, are you all learning or not. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.